In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble your new Connect enclosure. Inside your box, you will find the following: Connect 2 case assembly, sled, and Stripe M2 cartridge. Additionally, you will need your tablet, Stripe M2 reader, and a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver. First, remove the screws to open the cartridge. Then, slide the card reader into the top, connect the cable, taking note to not cover the reset button, and then reassemble the cartridge. Finally, replace the screws. To prepare your sled for the card reader attachment, begin by removing the pre-installed cover by pushing it up to release the snaps. Then, grab your assembled reader cartridge and take note of the snap locations on it and the sled. Align the highlighted locations, and while applying firm pressure, slide and click the card reader in place. To complete your Connect assembly, grab your case and remove the cap. Insert your tablet and replace the cap, ensuring that the button fully engages with the back of the case. Finally, take your completed reader and sled assembly, slide it into the receiver on the back of the case until you hear a click. That completes your Connect assembly.